Okay, guys, Dylan and some random dude are making noises. It's really weird. It's like they're having a showdown, so I don't know if you can hear them, but funny noises. Now there's another guy joining in. Are they done? I don't know, maybe they're done. That's a duck, but alright, I guess they're done. That sucks, but that was our video, so there you go. Thank you for watching.
They faced it.
Dylan has won. Do your cool noise. Now do mine real quick. Get ready. I suck at this. Yeah.
Some of my quality.
I don't know. It's really weird, but we're at the videotape on an iPod because my camera's dead and it's charging. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed funny noises. Oh, by the way, we just made a video, 10 ways to pick up a date, and hope you enjoy that. And we're gonna be making another video, so that's 3 videos for us to upload, not just tonight and stuff, but later we're gonna do a game of pig for a video. So hope you enjoy this, and peace.
Bye bye.
We're gonna stop it at 2 minutes just because I want to make it an even number.